So these are some dry spices which we'll be needing. Some diced tomatoes, some julienne onions. I have 4 boiled eggs and a good garlic, ginger and chili paste. We'll also be needing some curd. And here's the 3/4 boiled rice. We have added in some ghee and kept it aside for a while. I have added in some oil and now we'll add the onions and we are going to fry them really well. Here's a Vishesh Tipni. If you want them to get fried really quick, you can actually chop them up early in morning, like a few hours before cooking, so that they get a bit dried and then they get fried really soon. So onions are almost fried and so now we are going to take it off in another plate. Here are our fried onions. Now we'll add some ghee because I believe that ghee makes everything taste better. So now basically all of this will go into our kadhai. And now we'll add in tomatoes. I am adding in some water because I need to add some other masala. We have haldi, lal mirch and dhania jeera powder. I'm going to add it all. Wow guys, look at this color. It's so pretty. So I added some ginger, garlic and chili paste and the tomatoes are now mushy enough. You can see the oil coming out. So now it's the right time to add some curd into this. Okay, I have like 2-3 spoons like these. The curd here will give a nice color and will enhance the entire flavor of our biryani. And now it's the right time to add in our boiled eggs. Make sure you don't overboil the eggs because that will take away the excitement of the egg biryani. So it should be perfectly boiled. Okay, I haven't added the salt yet. Let's see. I have added in some salt and now comes the key ingredient which is going to make any of your dish the best. That is some kasuri methi. This thing can just do wonders, you know. The aroma gets much more better and the taste gets a lot better. So the masala is ready and the rice is ready. So usually we don't make layered biryanis at home. My mom usually adds the rice into the gravy, but today I'm going to layer the biryani. So let's see how it goes. So the first layer, we'll put some rice in it. To this layer of rice, we are going to add some gravy. My god, it already looks so delicious. I just hope it's not too spicy because at my place people don't eat much spicy food. But it looks great and I tasted it as well. It tastes amazing. So we have spread the gravy. Don't judge me guys, I'm not a pro at cooking, but I'm definitely a pro at eating. Now one more layer of rice. Actually while cooking rice you can add some condiments into it. I didn't add because I already had it in my gravy. So you know, we don't want things to overpower. So we have our second layer of rice and now we will have one more layer of our nicely cooked gravy. So I've finally layered it, which looks messy, but I hope it tastes nice. And now comes the most satisfying part, that is adding in our fried onions. I think this thing makes everything look so aesthetic and nice. I don't know. Whatever, it looks great. My god, today my parents are going to be proud of me. Especially for cooking, or else they always are. That's our perfect homemade egg biryani, and the backdrop is beautiful.